guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I've got a really exciting video and I'm going to be making the TikTok pasta that everyone's been making. Anastasia made it on her channel and I've seen it floating around TikTok and I just thought I would do it. And before I get any comments, my hair is wet. Just had a shower and I tried to blow dry it curly but I couldn't do it, so I just gave up and I'm letting it dry naturally now. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to get these small tomatoes. So we've got these ones from Lidl. Hopefully this will be enough. If it's not. Anyway, I think I'll need to wash these. But basically what you do is, we've already cooked the pasta, so we'll just have to heat that up. But basically what you do is you put tomatoes all in here, and then in the middle you put the feta cheese. You drizzle oil on it and stuff and season it, and then you put it in the oven, and then when you take it out it's like a sauce, and then you mix it in with pasta. So that is what we are going to do today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to wash these tomatoes. Hi guys, so I'm just going to do an outfit of the day because why not? So these are from Gymshark, these leggings. This top is from Pretty Little Thing, and then this is from H&M. So yeah, and my makeup is by me. Anyway, I've washed the tomatoes now. So we're going to put them in this dish. I'll have to take them off the vine. Oh, jeez. Didn't know that just happened. I'll have to take them off the vine, so I will flip the camera around so I can show you me putting them in. So guys, I've just placed the tomatoes in and it's meant to fill the thing and there's nowhere near enough. I'm not really sure what to do now. Because it's meant to fill the thing. I'll see if we've got any other smaller dishes. Oh, we've got a smaller dish here, but that's tiny. Okay guys, we're gonna have to improvise. So I've put some bigger tomatoes in it. So I'm now gonna put the feta cheese. So I've just put the feta cheese in. I've spread around the tomatoes, and now we need to, I'm going to add salt and pepper, oil, and some basil and garlic. Right, okay, so we've got basil, and I'm just gonna get a few sprigs of it. Without damaging it all. Also, I'm really sorry about the delay on my video on my channel. I keep forgetting to edit it. So hopefully I'll edit it today. I can't really see my face. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to I need to wash it. I'll just give it a quick wash and then... Right, okay, so I've just washed the basil. I'm just gonna sort of cut it a little bit. This knife is pretty big, not gonna lie. I think I could have used a better knife. But I'm just gonna sort of cut it up. There. So I think that is chopped. Right, okay, so I've got a better knife now to actually cut the basil better. If you can hear any little noises, Rico's cage is in the back. Probably be in. Okay, right, I've cut the basil now. Okay, I'm just going to sprinkle on basil and hopefully this will give it a bit of flavour. Why is it all stuck to me? Now I am going to season it, so I'm just going to put in salt and pepper. Don't want it to be bland. I'm not going to put that much salt in it because obviously feta cheese is quite salty. Right, not a lot of pepper is coming out of this. Okay, pepper. I'll just show you. So pepper's on it now. Sorry, I'm trying to find a good angle, but clearly, my hair. Oh dear. So now I'm going to put on a bit of salt, but not too much. I'm just going to put it on my hand first. And I'm just going to put that on my, just on the tomatoes. And now I'm going to, oopsies, now I'm going to drizzle on, well, this is rapeseed oil, it's not actually olive oil. I don't know if you meant to use a certain type of oil, but I'm just gonna sort of drizzling it. I want to put too much on, but not too either. Yeah, so I've put this oil on. Hopefully that's not too much, because that's like how much they used on the video, in Anastasia's video. But it's into the oven now. I think you put it into the oven for like 20 minutes, but I might be wrong, so I'll let you guys know how long it takes in the oven. Guys, I've just got it out of the oven. That's some garlic paste we put on. So yeah, I've just tied my hair up, but the microwave realised she thought that you put the pasta in the oven as well as the I don't even know what I'm about. Anyway, so what you have to do is you have to sort of mash the feta and the don't want to touch that tray. You have to mash like the feta cheese and the tomato so it's almost like a sauce. So I'm going to try and show you guys on camera me doing it, but I don't know if you'll be able to. So, right, whoa, that is very, I think you just have to sort of mix it in, like that. That's like all the tomato juice and stuff. It does look quite nice, kind of, I'm not sure actually. It's all that juice that I'm a bit concerned about. I think it's just the tomatoes though. Right. Kind of doesn't look that appetizing, guys. Kind of like really doesn't look appetizing. Oh well. So I think now what you need to do is, Mum, do you want to have a look? I'm videoing.
Yeah, put the pasta in.
Yeah. Could you hold the camera please, just like whilst I'm pouring it in?
Have you told them about my mistake? Yeah. I thought it all went in together.
That's why I got really confused when you said you were putting the pasta on like half an hour before.
I thought it was like a pasta bake where it all went in together. Don't forget to sprinkle on some basil.
It has got basil in it though.
Yeah. Oh, cool, looks nice.
Yeah.
Are you gonna have a taste?
Not just straight out of the thing. Oh yeah, should I?
The worktop was clean, guys. It's a little bit gross what she just did then. But I have just cleaned it, so we're alright.
So would you not have done the same?
No, I wouldn't
Yes, you
actually.
would.
No.
Yes, you would.
So you're gonna have a taste of it then now?
Yeah. Right, wait a minute.
Then give it a mark out of 10. What would you say? Does it have much taste?
Yeah, it tastes a lot like feta cheese.
Mm.
That taste. And then basil. Let me just... I think it's nice, but it's like, sort of was expecting a little bit more.
Right,
You know
okay.
what I mean? You know, because everyone's like hyped about it. Right, you can try yours now on camera. Is that okay?
Well, I look a mess. Been cleaning.
No, you haven't been
I have been cleaning. Right, here we go, guys. That's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, nothing fancy, but yeah. 7 out of 10.
I'd probably give it like, yeah, 7 out of 10 actually. 7 or 6.5. It is nice, but it's not like fancy or anything, if you know what I mean.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.